Okay, so opening it up, doorbell camera wireless chime setup guide, 24-hour sticker, so you can put it by your door window. This is the screw positioning card, so it could tell you where exactly you need to make your holes. Here we have the charging cord. We have screws. This here, ooh, it comes with the batteries. And it's a little chime. Okay, so that gets connected to that. And then we have the camera here. Okay, let's set it up. We have our doorbell. It is connected right now. So let's put add device. We're gonna find smart doorbell. Right here says smart video doorbell. Go ahead.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device. Please place the camera phone close to your router for the best signal. It does say right here, power on, hold for 2 seconds, power off. You hold. You're powering off. And it's off. You see it? Okay, powering it on. Okay. Press the bell button to tap next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
Here's your reset button right there. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is.
Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code.
Okay, I heard a noise. Like a little bird, and it's connecting. Oh, you see me right there. So you see? Ooh, there I am. Okay. And it's loud when you press it. That is very loud. Unless you have a visitor. Oh, you could talk to me. Hello. Ooh. Okay, the chime right here has a button for different type of chimes. This is so you could try the chime, the volume, how high do you want it. That's 1, 2. You see how high? And then here is like, that's one chime.